Well, that ruined this part. Oh man, it's so nice to be in the shade. Temperatures are a little bit low because of the rain we've been having. It feels so good. It's so good. Makes me want to ride in the winter, but I have no heated grips. My hands will freeze. I have winter gear, but I mean, who knows? We'll see. We'll see. She brake checked me, fam? Look, you gotta love country roads. I'm telling you, I love country roads, okay? Because it's like this. Yes, there's houses here, but they're not gonna pull out. You get what I'm saying? So I love country roads like this because I can just relax, ride by ride. If I want to bust it a little bit, I bust it. If I don't, I can just relax. I ain't got nobody trying to breathe down my back. I ain't got no traffic coming on the other way acting foolish. Oh man, if you ain't got none, go get you some country roads, fam. Go get you some country roads. Because country roads, they will take you home, fam. They will take you home. That's a fact. Oh, dirt. And that is another thing about country roads is that stuff, right? Trees, rocks, debris on the road. So you have to kind of watch that. But other than that, hey man, I'm here for it. Good God, that lion scared the crap out of me. I thought it was a big old dog. I don't know if you guys saw that or not. I was like, what the heck? That's a huge dog. Nah, it's just a lion. I cannot express how much therapy this is for me right now. This is so much what I needed. Oh, yeah, I remember now. Okay, here we go. We are in it. Woo! I almost ran that stop sign. Woo! I better be careful, fam. I just keep going. I'll just end up keeping going. I'll probably end up jumping that. You see that? I don't know if you guys could tell, but there's a little bit of a hill right there. So if I just kept rolling, I'll definitely jump that. Oh man. Even though I have to work tonight, this right here, right now, is what I needed. It's exactly what I needed. It's just to get out, ride for a little bit, and be good, or essentially be recharged for whatever I have coming up, which is basically work all night. Ugh. But hey, you know what though? Work all night pays the bills, fam. Keeps the bike in the garage. That's what I'm worried about right now. Keeps the lights on, so they say. You gotta love the fact when you're riding around trying to enjoy a ride, your phone starts blowing up about your accounts. And there it goes again. Seriously starting to get on my nerves. Well, alright, that's gonna do it for today's ride because I am starting to get annoyed by all these phone calls. And so I appreciate you guys coming along. Yanto Beyonce. We'll see you guys here on the next one. Peace.